evening, another hotel room tour, and I have stayed at this hotel room before, but this is different view which I'm looking at just now. Wait till you see this view that I have just now. I'm going to show you the view just before it gets dark, and yeah, amazing view. I'm back in Glasgow at the Crowne Plaza. This is a premium king room with river view, which will make sense in a moment, and we're going to have a look around this room, some of the hotel. I'll put some clips in throughout the video of the hotel, but let's have a look at this room and this view, which is stunning. So let's get touring. No, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the room, but first, like I say, look at this. That is not a picture, that is the window and the view. Let's look at that. Look at that for a view. So that's the entrance. I have driven into the car park. I'm checked in, and I'm going to be going to the Iron Brew Carnival for the first time tonight. That'll be a separate video. You can see it there getting set up, ready to go for tonight. What a view that is. I'll put the price of this room I paid in the video or description below. But it's heading back to the front door and looking back. Let's take a look around. It's just a general overview of the room. To start off with, look at the bed. The bed's massive, it's absolutely huge. I have sat in the bed, I've been sitting in the chair, just relaxing for a few moments. I'm going to move my shoes over here. Bit behind the scenes going on here. Yeah, my bag. But yeah, really nice and clean and modern. It's got all the different separate areas, chair, desk area to do some work, relax and sleep. We'll start at the front door. Got some hanging space, so spare towels first and foremost up there. Some hangers, iron board. On this side we have trouser press. There's cleaning service. There's a safe. There's a full length mirror next to the wardrobe here. We'll have a look at the bathroom. We'll mix it up a little bit. Let's have a look at the bathroom just now. I have used the sink and stuff, so that was myself that caused that. But nice big mirror. Bathroom has a bath. There's a wall mounted shower. All complimentary items in here. So we have hand and body wash, hand and body lotion from Fig and Fijua. Is that how you say it? Fijua. Shaving point. And for the shower, you have some shampoo, conditioner, hand and body wash. That's really it from the bathroom. Just round the side of this wardrobe and mirror, there is a shelf with a light. You have a kettle in here with hot chocolate, coffees, teas, sugars, Yorkshire teas, and some biscuits. Some ginger biscuits, fruit and lemon, and some real mugs. And believe it or not, we have a fridge. in a hotel room. Yeah, there you go. Usually forget to mention if there's a fridge or not. But yeah, great to have a fridge in the room. So I've got my bags down there. Nice big space around here. Nice TV. Big enough TV. Drawer. Hairdryer. Big storage space, big drawers. There's another drawer down here. That's huge as well, it's a massive drawer. Big drawer. The light. And what's this here? Scan for your information. The hotel information. You can scan there. Charging point. This is always footery, so what you do is you pull this up to get all of your charging points. Your USB points there as well. Still can't get over that view. That's, if I can put a clip in just now of at night time when it's dark with all the kind of lights and that on, I'll do that. I'll put that clip in just now. Yeah, such an amazing view. And I did not pay over the odds today for this, or tonight for this room, so it's not a lot in my opinion for what I got. And I got free breakfast as well tomorrow. I don't think I'll be able to stay for breakfast because I have plans in the morning, but great price in my opinion. Nice light overhanging the chair here. Bedside we have table, phone, sockets and USBs, some lights here that operate different lights around the room. There is room service. Let's have a look since we're here. Room service. I'll scan the room service menu and you can pause if you wish. I'm just going to be looking for the pizza. There's the pizza there. Pepperoni, onion chilli, £16. There'll be a service charge no doubt for room service. What do we have here? Large plates, baguettes and wraps, deli sandwiches, some sides. Yeah, not a bad option to have if you're needing room service. And over here, same idea again with the sockets and USBs. All in all, a really good size room, complimentary water as well, a bottle of each of still and sparkling. But really nice size room. Again, I'm really surprised. Look, there's the heating as well. Look at the thermostat there, you can control the heating. Little bed, so missed that as well. Keep missing things just now. Not the. Oh, I don't think that works. We'll just leave that. But yeah, really surprised with the price I paid for this room. It's a Friday night. It's coming up for Christmas as well, plus there's a lot of events on, so this hotel is right next to the OVO, Hydro and the SEC, Scottish Exhibition Centre, and you've got this view, these facilities. The hotel's really nice as well. The parking, the signs do say £12 per 24 hours for the on-site parking, but I didn't get, I registered my car at check-in, but I did not have to pay, so it looks like it's free, or I need to pay when I leave, so I'm not too sure yet. I'll double check that. I may have to pay when I'm checking out, so we will find out. And if I do, I'll put that in the video as well just now. So yeah, that's really it. That's really all there is of this room. Like I say, if I can show anything else in this hotel, I will show that. But yeah, apart from that, I am going to leave it there. Thank you all for watching. I've got so many videos you can check out my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Ian. I do so many different things, mainly the travel genre with the theme parks put in there. So Disney theme parks, Disney cruises, Universal theme parks, California. All these things. I'm going all over the place, and next year I'm going to expand on that as well. So I'm going to have so much more varied content in 2025. So cannot wait to that. So hopefully you stick around, hit subscribe. Thank you all for your support. It's always appreciated that you take your time to watch these videos, and I hope you are all well. So take care for now, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.